my name is Hillary, and in this video I'm going to show you a few ways to reply to discussions in Canvas. As you can see, I'm in the student view right now, so hopefully this is similar to what you see on your Canvas screen. First of all, go to the assignment. In this case, I know it's in discussions, and then find the discussion you want to reply to, which is right here. And you read the post and figure out what you're going to say. I often type my answer into a Google Doc first, just in case I accidentally delete my discussion post while I'm working on it, or forget to click on Post Reply. That way I can easily copy and paste the answer from the Google Doc. Let's look at straightforward typing in your discussion post, and then different ways of adding images to your discussion post. Okay, you read the prompt and you're ready to answer it. And there are several different options you can use to post your reply. The first and simplest option is to type your answer. So this assignment has asked for an audio or a video or an image connection. Let's do image first. So how do I add an image to a discussion post? There are several ways. I usually go down a space and then I click on here, Embed Image. So you see I have three options: URL, which will get me a photo from a website; Canvas, which will get me a file that I've previously uploaded to my computer or my Canvas files; and Flickr, which will get me a photo which is public domain or Creative Commons and has no copyright limitations. Let's do Flickr first. So I'll use the Flickr search box to find a photo that will illustrate my text. And here's a bunch of photos on Ceviche. So I will take this one. Also, the alt text box down here is where you type in a short description of the photo, just in case someone is using a screen reader to read the discussion post. The screen reader will know what the image is of. You can adjust the dimensions here if you want, but it's just as easy to adjust them in the post itself. So go ahead and click Update. And there it is. So if it's a little bit too big for me, I can make it smaller. So that's one way to embed a photo into your discussion post. Another way, if you can't find the photo you're looking for on Flickr, is you can use a photo from your own files on your computer, either a photo you took yourself or one you found on Google. And then you'll upload it to Canvas and add it to the discussion post. So let's do that together. Before we can upload an image from Canvas to our discussion post, we need to be sure we've saved that image on our computer. I'll go to Google and type in the keyword, and I'm going to go to Images, and I want an image that I don't have to worry about copyright. So I'm going to go to Tools, actually Usage Rights, labeled for reuse with modification. They're not quite as many pictures, but this one will work for me. So and it's Wikimedia, and I go to Download. And I pick the resolution. In my browser, I'm going to go to File and Save Page As. That works as a file name. It's a JPEG image, so I save it. Now I have the image saved on my computer, and I can go back to working on my discussion post. Okay, I know I have the image I want saved in my computer. So for this image, I go to Embed Image again. This time I'm going to go to Canvas. And Canvas is going to ask me, where do you want to put this image? Because I'm going to have to store it in my Canvas files before I can put it in my post. So I say My Files. I'll go to Upload File. There's the image that I want. Open it. It puts it automatically in the post, but also in my folder of files in Canvas. And I'll use a short title there for the alternative text. And update. And there it is. I'll fix the size of the image, and I can have both types of images along with my text. And I add whatever text I need. And then I hit Post Reply. Don't forget to do that. The reply I just posted will go to the bottom of the list of replies. Okay, the second way you can make a Canvas discussion post is by making an audio or video recording of your post. And after we've gone over that, I'll demonstrate how to add a website link to your post. So we audio or video record a post by going to this icon here. And if I want to record with a webcam, make sure I have a light on my face, but if I want to record just the words under webcam, I'll click on no video. And I'll get this. Then I can start recording whenever I want. It will count me down and I'll start recording. Here we go. The story I'd like to tell about my cultural heritage is actually about a fish recipe. And then I'll continue telling my story. I often have to redo the story the first time, at least once or twice, because I tend to say a lot and then it gets boring to listen to. So I like to make a document with a list, a little outline of what I'm going to say so I don't forget, and practice it once or twice to get rid of the ums. Once you've got your recording, you hit save. And there it is. And then you can add pictures or links or whatever you like. For this one, I would like to add a link. So I will say, and I will find the YouTube that I want. I go down to the bottom right and click on share, and I get the link to it, copy it, close that up, go back to my prompt that I'm working on. I can highlight this part of it here, Caballitos de Totora, and I can click on link right here, and I can paste in the URL. And I can insert the link. I can do that for any website, not just YouTube's, of course. There is also this YouTube link, which allows you to look for just YouTube's that you might want to link to in your post. So I click on it, it loads. I can put my criteria in here. And there it is. And I can embed whichever one I choose. And then again, I post reply. And this is what it will look like. So we've covered typing text into your discussion post. We've covered adding images to the post using either Flickr or an image that's been uploaded to your computer or Canvas. We've covered how to make an audio or video recording as a discussion post. And we've covered linking external websites into your discussion post. So now we're going to look at how to use the phone to do all those things. And that will be in the next video. Thanks for watching.